Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to create this ginger hair color. It literally was so easy and simple. But before we get into the video, don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also share this video if you enjoyed it. Alright, stay tuned before we get started with the tutorial. Today I'm using Cranberry hair. They sent me 613 pre-made lace front wig and a pair of lashes. There's an adjustable strap and 4 combs, and this is how the inside looks and the overall frontal. The materials you'll need is a door dye in the color Sunrise Orange and Ginger, and gloves, along with a big bowl and mixing tool. So before I start dyeing my hair, I'm going to spray it with Got To Be Glue freeze spray so that way the lace front doesn't get messed up while I'm dyeing it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to spray around the lace front. So I'm going to fill the bowl up with some hot water. I just get the water from the faucet and pour it in the bowl. You don't need to boil water. I feel like it's going to be too hot anyway. Now I'm going to pour all of my dye into the water. When you're done, mix everything together, and this is the fun part. Place your wig into the water. When you're putting the wig in the water, make sure it's completely saturated because you will end up coming across the problem of where certain parts of the wig won't be dyed enough, or you'll miss a few spots. So make sure you really get that wig in there and saturated. And like I said, this is the inside of the wig. I'm going to be doing a middle part, because one of my cons about this wig is the parting space. Like you see the side, it's not like a lot of parting space, but that's okay because I always wear my hair in the middle part anyways, so it is what it is. So I started like coloring the wig cap, but I stopped because I was like, oh, I want to show you guys the process. So I get a little makeup palette, like a contour kit, and I use like kind of like a darker tone than my tone because it's like this wig cap is like too bright. And I usually don't use wig caps, but I realized like my back of my neck, when I put the frontal wigs on, I think it gets irritated by these wigs, because sometimes I'll sleep with the wig on. And so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna start wearing wig caps. So now that we're done with that step, we are going to put the wig on. Woo. So this is you can adjust it how you want to, by the way. But like, you see how the wig cap doesn't show through because like you don't really need to do the ball cap method really, because you know the ball cap method is just extra as heck. But anyways, I'm gonna move the wig to my liking, basically position it to where I want it, and I want the edges to look like this. And I'm gonna check this side to make sure it's perfectly laid. Great. So now I'm gonna lift it. So you know me, love my Got To Be glue, and I love my freeze spray. And if I forget to show you guys the rest of the other materials, I use Herbal Essence Mousse. It's kind of hard to see it, but there. And then you need some toothbrush. I don't use this toothbrush to brush my teeth. I literally use it just to do my edges. So get the Got To Be glue and just spread it around your hair. Now I will be looking in this direction because I have a little mirror that helps guide me. You get the spray and you spray it over where you applied the glue. Okay, so it's been a few minutes, so now I'm going to put the wig over the glue. You got press on it. You got to press on it. I don't know why I'm using that accent, but yeah, press it on your skin. Y'all, I'm getting over a cold. That's why I haven't been posting as much. My voice was like literally gone, completely gone. So I'm getting my voice back slowly but surely. As you guys know, I like to start in the middle like this and then kind of go down in a zigzag motion. So like this, you know, you kind of, I don't know, you just don't want it to, you don't want to cut it straight. Like, it's just not gonna look right. I'm about to secure it with a head tie. Okay, so I got my hair straightener and I'm using this hair straightener. It's Remington, and it's really big, I know, but it actually gets the job done a lot faster. I'm gonna add some heat protectant spray. And I know y'all are like, why is she protecting it? It's a weave, but trust me. That's why some of my weaves be lasting so long, because I use heat protectant and I treat it like it's real hair. Like, you can't just be treating your weaves like just anything, you feel me? So for me, when I straighten my hair, I like to do the chase method. So this is gonna be a really quick little thing. So I take a brush it, of course, take a rat tail comb, and I grab it like this, and I literally chase it. Like, this is literally the chase method. It's so easy and so simple. So while I'm doing this, I'm gonna explain some things about the hair. So basically, the hair, I believe this is 24 inches, but everything about the hair will be in the description box below. Um, the hair itself, like this is a pre-made wig that they already made. I usually make my own wigs, but I decided why not try a pre-made wig and try to give it a try, you know. And honestly, the parting space on the sides is not enough, and this is the reason why I don't like pre-made wigs. The hair itself is really soft. Like, I dyed this hair, and right now I can literally comb through it and brush my rat tail tooth comb through it, and that's awesome. When the hair dries, this is straight hair, by the way. When the hair dries, it doesn't dry curly. Some straight bundles will curl up. This one doesn't, so that's good. In terms of the thickness of the hair, like, I feel like it's definitely not a thick wig. It's very much so not that full. I don't like that. If you decide to dye your 613 hair, the hair will be in good condition like it is right now. You see how like nice this looks, and you just saw the only thing I put in it was the little hairspray. Overall, I mean, I don't see frizzing. I don't really see frizzing, so that's a good thing. It don't have excessive frizzing. It takes the color very well. This was the watercolor method that I did on the hair, as you guys saw, and I feel like it took the color very well. These are like my last few strands. As you can see, I'm trying to rush it. I'm gonna like really get the top when I unveil this, which I'm about to do now. So, okay, it's dry. It's dry for sure. Now that this hair is dry, I'm about to do the baby hairs, the fun part, the part that makes the hair look alive. So, this color is definitely very bright. Like I said, I usually don't cut baby hairs. I don't know, and I don't like to overdo it with baby hairs when it comes to colored hair. So, you know, I kind of just choose the parts that I wanted. Baby hair is kind of just like you go with what you think you should put it at, like where you think you should put it at. So like I think I'm gonna do it right here, because I usually do it like right there. This side, I might need to fix this. Like I said, I don't like to overdo it with the baby hairs when it comes to these. Definitely don't want it to look crazy. All right, now that I'm done, it's time to fix up the top half. Yeah, so it does have flyaways because I just straightened it, and you see that. So for my final touches, I like to take the mousse, put a little bit in my hands, as y'all know, like about this much, and then just put it on the top, run it through the hair, and yeah. So I still see a little bit of white, so I'm gonna like fix that. I'm gonna just fix these little whites that I see. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. This is how the orange hair came out, you know. Ow, material girl. So this is how the hair looks. I'm gonna turn it back so you guys can see. And this is 24 inches. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and don't forget to like, don't forget to comment below if you have any questions, and of course subscribe and share this video. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.